Hey everyone, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to enable 1.8 in Adobe Premiere Pro. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is the first time in Adobe Premiere Pro, I want you to click the sign up option. And from here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. In Adobe Premiere Pro, the 1.8 setting typically refers to the playback resolution option, which adjusts how much detail Premiere Pro uses when playing back your video in the program window. Lowering the playback resolution can improve the performance during editing, especially with high resolution footage. Alright, so once you open the Adobe Premiere Pro and load your project, alright, locate the program monitor. Where you can see it, go to the windows right here, click the program monitor. All right, this should be it. Now you see there is a section here with a settings. All right, if you click the drop down menu, you have all these options: the full, 1/2, 1/4, and 1/8. Now the 1/8 depends on the quality of your video. All right, in my case I have like a low quality video, so I can't choose the 1/8. But if you do, you can reduce the quality by clicking the full, which means it's the best quality but requires more processing power. The 1/2 here reduces the quality by half. The 1/4 reduces the quality to a quarter of the original. And of course, the 1/8 refers to reducing the quality to 1/8 of the original, which is the lowest quality settings. In my case, my file is already in low quality, so I cannot choose the 1/8 anymore. From the drop-down menu, just select the 1/8 if you have that option. This will lower the resolution of the playback, improving performance for smoother editing, especially on high resolution files like 4K or higher. And again, after choosing this, all I'm gonna do is play the video with the 1/8 resolution selected right here, and Premiere Pro will now display it at a lower quality speed. All right, please take note that this doesn't affect the final export quality. It's only for the smoother editing playback here, because sometimes when the file is too enormous, it kinds of a bit laggy. So if you want to focus on editing without being slowed down, all right, choose this option, getting the 1/8, especially for tasks like trimming, color correction, and arranging clips. All right, and that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next video.